Hello all, I'm Satvik, co-founder and CEO at Translate.video. Using Translate.video, you can translate videos to 75 plus languages with just one click. And guess what? With this release, we have launched unlimited free subtitles with animations for all your videos. Let me walk you through the product and what it does. Right? It's a simple drag and drop application where influencers, content creators, and also enterprises are using this product today. Right from captioning, instant subtitling, voiceover and dubbing, as well as editing. Everything is available in just one app. You can even export the video in MP4 and subtitles embedded as well as in SRT and VDT files. You can also record your own voice. And guess what? We've come up with cross-language voice cloning, and that's a feature that we will be discussing with you very soon. Sign up on the product today to know more about it. The biggest value proposition that you can see with this tool is the whole voiceover and subtitling process is 100 times faster than any other process in the world, which makes it a seamless tool for you to use it and help you go global. Let me show you a sample of a video, right? And this is a video that's actually in English. Let me play the original video for you.
Hey everyone, and welcome to the first, or rather the 0th session of How to YouTube. A very warm welcome to everybody who's joining in. If you're part of the live classes, then
let me play a version that's dubbed using Translate.video in Hindi and Spanish, right? Let me play the Hindi version first.
Hi, आपका स्वागत है How to YouTube के पहले नहीं बल्कि सेशन 0 में। जो लोग शामिल हुए हैं, आप सबका हार्दिक स्वागत है। यदि आप लाइव क्लासेस का
Let me play the Spanish version for you.
Hola a todos y bienvenidos a la primera, o mejor dicho, a la sesión inicial de Dominando YouTube.
All of these transcripts are completely generated using AI. You also have several options which include, you can use our Translate GPT to make and edit these transcripts, as well as audio settings where you can record and upload voices, custom voices as well, right? Again, this is about the transcripts and how the voiceover and dubbing is produced. And guess what? With just one click, we can generate subtitles in less than a few seconds. Like you saw, these subtitles are available in multiple languages. Let's go to styles and you'll see there are several animations that's available as well as effects, right? You can apply all of these effects seamlessly on these videos. We also have the audio feature where you can add background music and several other things with just one click. You can also upload custom background audios if you feel like. We have settings where you can change the artboard size as well as several other features, including optimizing the video to get the best output, right? You can also hire an expert and get both standard as well as express delivery. Professionals, language experts from around the world would proofread this content for you. This is where we've built a global translation network at Translate.video. Exporting the video is seamless. All you have to do is just click on the export button and choose several options through which you can either export a video or subtitle. You can upgrade to these basic and premium plans to enhance your usage. And also keep in mind, we have this unlimited free subtitles for you available right from the free plan. Make sure you sign up today. And especially for the paid plans, use the coupon code PRODUCTHUNT to get 50% off lifetime on these plans. Do not miss this opportunity. If you have any doubts or questions, feel free to ask questions in the comments section. What are you waiting for? The whole world is waiting for you. Go get started today and use the coupon code PRODUCTHUNT to upgrade now.